Now we are going to see area of a rectangle. First we must know what is area. So look at this. Area is the amount of surface of a figure corner. Area is the amount of a surface of a figure corner. So look at this. This is a rectangle shape. So we have to find out this area. This is area means this surroundings, this particular place we have to find out in the rectangle. So that is what they mention. Area is the amount of surface of the figure corner. So what is a figure? Is a rectangle is a figure, or rectangle is a shape. So we have to find out this particular area we have to find. This is called as amount of surface. Amount of surface. That is what amount of surface figure corner. So area of the rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? That means you know that I have already taught you in perimeter of rectangle what is the properties of rectangle and what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle, and we have seen perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B, and perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side we have seen, and we work out the sums also. Now we are going to see area of the rectangle. So formula is L into B. L into B. L means length and B means breadth. L into B. L is length and B is equal to breadth, and A means nothing but A means area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth. So now we are going to solve the problem, then you can understand the concept very well. So length of the wall is equal to 4 units and breadth of the wall is equal to 3 units. Units means I have already told you whether it is a meter or centimeter, whatever. Okay, you can use it. Okay, but in this question they are given only the units. That means you can consider centimeter or meter. But here I just written only units. Okay, 4 units and 3 units. Length of the wall is 4 units and breadth of the wall is 3 units. Area of the wall, the formula is already you know that is A is equal to, A means area, L into B. You have to find out. A is equal to area, L means what is the value of L. Substitute the value of length 4 and substitute the value of breadth, that is B value is 3. So A is equal to 4 into 3, 12. That means area is equal to 12 square units. Square units. You must write square units. Suppose in that place 4 centimeter or 4 meter means what you are going to write, you have to, suppose this is centimeter, they are given centimeter means the answer is 12 square is q dot centimeter or else 12 centimeter square. This is the answer for the question. Now look at this diagram. This is also a rectangle shape. See, this is length, this is the top is length and this side is what? Breadth. See, in this box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units, that is called as 5 centimeter, and this is what? That is this called as row and this called as row. R means row and this called as what? Column. C-O-L-U-M-N, column. So row. How many rows are there? That means you see. So how many? This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, that is this is column. This is column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many columns? So you don't consider the last 2 means you can consider 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So here row means 1, 2, 3. So again I'll repeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even if you count, this means you have 6 columns, but you have to count only this 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 columns and rows are 1 and that is 1 and 2. So there are 2 rows. So this is horizontal lines called as row and vertical is column. See, count the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is called as a length. It is 5 centimeter and this side is length is a horizontal. Length is horizontal and vertical column it is called as length means row. That is row means that is this is 5 units and breadth means you have 2 units. That is what? So vertical, that means vertical means breadth and horizontal means row. So vertical means what is vertical? This is called as vertical and this is called as row. So horizontal means row and vertical means column. I've told you horizontal row. Row means in that place we can mention as length. So length is what? 5 units is given clearly and vertical means column. That means breadth. That is breadth. This is called as how many? 2 units. According to the diagram. I'll repeat once again. See here, look at this diagram. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is so 5. So this called as completely length. So we can call it as 5 units. So horizontal, completely horizontal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called always, we can call it as row and column. So horizontal rows always length. So 1, 2, 3 horizontal rows always length. But what vertical means, we can call it as what is breadth. But in this place you have to count, we should not count only the, we should count only the box. We should count only the box. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 box. So 5. So that completely the measurement is length, because it is in horizontal. Length is equal to 5 unit and breadth is equal to how many box we have count? 1, 2. This is called what? Vertical. So breadth is equal to 2 unit. So now you find out what is the length and what is the breadth. We find out from the what diagram. L is equal to 5 centimeter. And breadth is equal to 2 centimeter. So area, I've told you, A means area. Area, what is the area of the rectangle? L into B. L into B. So A is equal to, length means you have to substitute the value of L is equal to 5 and breadth is equal to substitute the value of 2. So you have to multiply 5 into 10. What is given as centimeter? So answer is 10 square centimeter, or else 10 centimeter square. Both are correct. Both are correct. Even you can write like this, square centimeter or centimeter square. So square dot, you have to write square dot centimeter, centimeter square. This square only I have written in 2. In the top of this place centimeter, then 2 means it mentioned as centimeter square. So you can do in any way which is convenient for you, you can do that.